Got him. All right, I think I got it. All right, so there you have it. We washed off the roof. We did a half-assed job. Ooh, almost got my drill wet, but I didn't quite do it. So, oops, man down. All right, so there you go. If I wasn't quite so fucking beat to shit already, I could have had this white, and I used that stuff to do it. Last time I did, I got it all white, but you know, I'm kind of wondering sometimes if this shit just doesn't make more work for you, because it just kind of seems like you wash it and then all this crap comes up, you know, that moldy shit. And I didn't have that problem before. It was just basically dirty. So I bought this shit, and I'm kind of wondering if it's like, you know, kind of like a con man thing, you know, you get the shit, you do the stuff, and then this is what you got to do every year because you're tied into buying this crap now. So, but anyway, there you go. Solar panels are clean. They should be making some good power now. And you know, like, subscribe, throw a thumbs up. This video may be too long, but oh well. There you go. 2014 Rockwood ultralight